Nexo is a coin that most certainly is as of now exchanged at $0.766236 per unit, with the market capitalization of $429,092,216. That by and large makes it a low-position digital money, which truly is very huge, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Computerized resources like Nexo for the most part explicitly have currently certainly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for most certainly retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for by and large genuinely enormous institutional financial backers who in a real sense see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a compelling really support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which especially is very critical. Or so they thought. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its extremely current standings, as well as the mid-term and especially long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our in every practical sense, restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, in every practical sense, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, the cost of Nexo actually certainly remains at $0.766236, and this in every way that really matters, genuinely specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 73rd foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning in a very significant manner. For decently your data, the really positioning of each and every cryptographic money explicitly is vigorously dependent on its in every way that really matters, current market capitalization and cost, and by and large is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in a genuinely enormous manner. Likewise, to fundamentally get in every practical sense, better especially handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense, figure out the exceptionally broad heading of the pattern, or to sort of explicitly register its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to truly examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which sort of is very critical. Yesterday, on November 24, the cost of Nexo by and large remained at $0.749935 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.38% contrast when contrasted with the in every way that really matters current cost. 7 days prior, on November 18, the Nexo market in every way that really matters remained at $0.724496 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Which is very huge, which is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the cost entirely moved by 0% comparable to its most certainly present standing. A month prior, on October 25, Nexo was evaluated at $0.623901, which explicitly by and large matched with our cost expectation for that specific period, or so they in a real sense thought. Contrasted with the current place of Nexo, it addresses a 22.81% cost move, which generally is very critical, which is very huge. At the point when it in every practical sense comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves considerably more as a mark of the coin's portion or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its kind of by and large prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which is very huge. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a very key pointer to really be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices and in every practical sense, significant way, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the exceptionally all-out number of coins that generally are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the fundamentally current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now in every practical sense, remains at $0.766236 in an unpretentious way. Considering that equation, we by and large have determined the really current market capitalization of Nexo to be at $429,092,216. Which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among this sort of present on the digital money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on November 24, the market capitalization of Nexo generally remained at $419,963,462. Keep going week, on November 18, the aggregate sum of sort of capital dedicated to Nexo especially was laid out at $405,717,816. The information from a month prior, enrolled on October 25, shows that Nexo sort of had a market capitalization of $349,384,808 in a by and large significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that by and large have previously been mined, printed, or generally made and explicitly are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets in an all things considered, huge way. The really all-out supply likewise considers any coins that in every practical sense have been singed, put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate. It can in a real sense basically measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that generally is public on the securities exchange, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The by and large complete stock of Nexo at present basically generally remains at 100,000,000 Nexo incredibly. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply by and large is the most normally involved certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which sort of shows that is the outcome. The cost generally moved by 0% comparable to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on October 25, Nexo sort of was evaluated at $0.623901, which really harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period, or so they fundamentally thought. It relates with the in a real sense the essentially the best guess of the fundamentally truly by and large number of coins that actually most certainly are public on digital money trades and sort of add to their liquidity in a genuinely enormous manner. Their volume doesn't explicitly incorporate the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in especially savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or by and large put unavailable for general use, or so they in a real sense especially thought. The circling supply certainly is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, showing how the flowing stockpile truly in every practical sense is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. At this moment, the flowing stock of Nexo is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market actually for the most part added up to $4,738,644 in an extremely significant manner incredibly. Yesterday, on November 24, the in every way that really matters, exceptionally normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting essentially added up to $6,744,032 versus the fundamentally thought. 7 days prior, on November 18, the power of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $2,342,548. This information and the events on the Nexo graph can generally by and large assistance you sort of evaluate for yourselves the entirely current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing course are making an inversion, showing how likewise. To basically really get a genuinely better for the most part handle of the market circumstance and generally sort of figure out the kind of broad bearing of the pattern, or to enroll its non-attendance, it's additionally essential to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, the Crypto Unpredictability List (CVIX) fundamentally basically